Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to see some of the table data insert techniques. Previously, we know how to insert a single row, and in this sub-series, we will see how to insert multiple rows in the target table. In this very first video, we will visit the insert statement with multiple row values. That means we will place an insert statement and provide multiple provide value for multiple rows. So here we will use our employee table from CA-tube, and this is a schema. Next, if you see, insert into test.employee values. So this is normal syntax, right, to insert all the column values. So insert into test.employee, this is table name values. If we doesn't specify any column name, then we are stating that we will insert value for all the columns. Here in the normal syntax, we will provide the comma separated list of values, and if you want to insert multiple rows, you can put a comma, then start inserting other rows. Here if you see, we are inserting 5 rows in one single insert statement. So this is perfectly valid. Here we are inserting record 1, record 2, 3, 4 and 5, and all follows this same rule. Insert into employee data values. That means here we are providing 5 records and we are inserting or we are providing the comma separated list of value within parentheses. Then we place a comma to denote that I'm going to insert one more row, comma, need to insert third row, need to insert fourth, fifth. Likewise, you can extend. Finally, we again query the table just to check these 5 rows are inserted. Alright, now we will go ahead and look at the demo. Here, let us check what are all the records that exist in the test.employee. So here I'm expanding the CA-tube database tables, and here you can see the employee table columns. In this list, employee ID, this is a auto-generated field. So when we are inserting value, we will not provide value for that. Then we will provide full name, country code, date of birth, sex, experience, salary, and bonus is a calculated field. By looking at the icon, you can see it's a calculated field, so we will not insert value for this one as well, because it will derive the bonus based on salary and experience. We saw that already in one of our previous video. Then this is the foreign key. So as part of our insert, we will provide value for this one as well. Now let's check what are all the records available. Here, if you see, we have 18 rows of data. Now we will go ahead with the insert statement. Now let me create new query, and I will move it to the side. Here, if you see, we are inserting 5 rows of data. Insert into table name, and we just specified the value. And if you specify column here, test.employee, and if you pick some 3 or 4 columns selectively, those rules are applied for all these row list. So we can call this as a row list as it is separated by the comma. So there are 5 rows in the row list. Then here if you see, this is column list. Within a single row we separate the column by means of comma. Alright, now we will insert this. So here we are getting the constraint violation, right? That means we already have these records. So what we can do, we will bring the object explorer and bring up the employee table. Let's go with edit top 200 rows. So just first selected all 5 rows, then the delete key in the keyboard was pressed and it presents you are about to delete 5 rows. Let's click S here and then save all. Okay, that save all is for query window. If you just close here, the records will be committed. Here we will be seeing Paul Felix, right? We'll delete it. Now we have only 13 rows here. We can test this multiple row insert now. I'll click execute, and if you see 5 rows affected, and if I go ahead with the select statement, you can see 18 rows. So these are all the row we inserted using this multiple row insert technique. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.